that one of the highlights, and the car is on display here tonight at the Royal Automobile Club, is a 1994 car, Mercedes-powered Penske. They called it the Beast because we had a pushrod engine that nobody could compete with.
One of my biggest worries was that I have a rubbish memory. And I thought, this could be a very short book because I can't remember much. But once you got into it, then it all came back.
Thing on what's your favourite film, they had 160,000 votes in, and it was a town job. Favourite, didn't say best.
My line was, I can't go in the back, I'll get migraine.
Sounds crazy, really. Yeah, some of the people you just listed off there and what they've achieved is outstanding, and the fact that I'm alongside those names now is yeah, really special.
Realise what you've done, 226 miles, 6 laps, 2 fuel stops, you know, 240 corners per lap, and then you stand on the podium and hear your national anthem playing, then it's the icing on the cake, you know.